This lesson is called Big Brother, Explore Measurement and the Largest Navajo Rug in the World by Guerrero. This is for 1st through 3rd grade and lasts one class period. The largest recorded Navajo rug in the world is called Big Brother. It measures 26 by 36 feet. The first Navajo or Dene settled in the Southwest in the early 16th century. Today, the Navajo Nation stretches across Arizona. In this lesson, students will learn about the Navajo culture of weaving rugs and the Navajo's usage of natural resources. The students will observe the Big Brother, looking at colors and patterns, and then explore a replicated pattern of a Navajo rug to practice measurement skills. Materials required include the Arizona Indian Reservation Map, The Goat in the Rug book by Martin Blood, an article called World's Largest Navajo Rug Returns Home, with a link included for your access. Navajo rug pattern for measuring, and 2 versions are required, an 8.5 by 11 and 11 by 17. And then there's student worksheets for both 1st, 2nd, and 3rd grade. The objectives of this lesson is students will be able to describe the Navajo culture's tradition in weaving. They will explain the natural resources used in weaving, and they will calculate the measurement of parts of the rug using appropriate tools and units. As a group, have students look at the U.S. map, preferably a large classroom map or projected map, and ask students to locate Arizona. Next, look at the map of Arizona's Indian reservations and ask students what they know of the Navajo. Have students record facts about what they know on the whiteboard or smartboard. Tell the students that today they will be learning more about the Navajo. Read aloud the book called Goat in the Rug. This book allows you to discuss weaving as per the Navajo Nation, and it includes a story of the process that goes into creating a rug. You want to list the process on the whiteboard. At the conclusion of session 1, have students orally explain the steps in making a rug. Then have them write down where do the dyes and other materials to make a rug come from. Session 2, you would look at Big Brother, an image of the rug online. Have students comment on what they see. What colors do you see? What patterns? Shapes? Ask questions such as, how did they make the various colors? And what do you think the shapes stand for? Explore the paper Navajo rug pattern. Discuss the measurements that could be taken. In 1st grade, we have a simple rug where students can look at the various colors and various shapes, and they could discuss what ways they could measure this shape. The 2nd and 3rd graders have a more challenging rug design where they could discuss not just the colors and the shapes, but the difficulties and strategies of measuring these various shapes. For 1st graders, you would pass out a pattern such as this, and you would pass out paper clips. You would allow the students to use the worksheet included, and they would select 3 colors to color their rug. They would then take a paper clip and measure around each color. So if I was measuring the white area of the rug, I would use a paper clip to say it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 paper clips in length. On their student sheet, they would record the colors and how many paper clips it takes to go around the rug. For 2nd and 3rd graders, they would do the same. However, they could use a paper clip, or they could use a ruler or yardstick, and they could measure how many inches it takes to go around the brown, the red, or the white shapes, or whatever color they chose to color their rug in. They too have various worksheets according to the standards required at that grade level for them to complete. You would review the answers as a group. Students can then turn the paper over and design their own rug. They then could repeat the exercise with their own pattern. The assessment, students will complete the math worksheet with 80% accuracy. Students will orally explain the process in making a Navajo rug, and students will write down one fact about where the dyes for the rugs come from and one fact about where the wool comes from. Some extensions you could do. Students can learn the art of weaving by creating a rug using yarn, a yarn needle, and cardboard pieces. Or students can measure the actual size of the largest Navajo rug in the world on the playground. They can use sidewalk chalk to make designs using geometric shapes, and as an assessment, students can apply their measurement skills to the large design they created on the playground. Some sources include the website to the image, the website to the article, and the book, The Goat in the Rug. Thank you.